Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will analyze with you some strategies with the help of figures. I want to tell you more about them as well as what they indicate. So today we will try to earn with you from $1, $500 or $1,000. So also I want to remind you to follow the link in the pinned comment to my Telegram channel. So follow it and start earning with me. So let's move on to trading. Today we will discuss trading patterns with you, such as flag, head and shoulders, double bottom, and so on. For example, here we see a figure is lined up on this figure, and most likely it is a flag. You can ask, what is a flag? So this is such a figure when either an increased line is built, then here we see a sharp decrease, and again we see a sharp increase. So, or it can be vice versa, a sharp decrease, then there may be something incompressible, and again a sharp decrease. So it all depends on the market. For example, here a bunch of flags and shapes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 flags are visible. So let's find a raise. Here they are, 3 pieces to raise, and so on. So let's look on at other strategies and patterns. For example, we have a double top figure which indicates a further decline. So here we can observe this figure and the market went down. So the market went down, and there is also a head and shoulder patterns that also shows us a down market. So now let's find it to show you. Well, for example, this is how it looks like, followed by a decline in the market, and there is a double bottom figure. So here it is, double bottom figure. These are the main figures that indicate a change in the market. So a double bottom indicates an uptrend in the market. Now let's find something similar on the chart. Well, here is a double bottom and the market went up further. So this was the study material I wanted to share with you. You can read more about it in the net. So until we start trading. So let's find the shapes. Most often we meet a flag and it is easiest to trade on it. Be sure to look at the time frames, display something for yourself and start trading. Now I will look for the shapes and get back to you in the video. So I found a trading pair for us. This is where the flag figure is lined up. So we can set the time to 5 minutes, maybe even 10. So, but I will set it to 5 minutes. And we bet $1 for 5 minutes to increase. So we will wait for the closing of the transaction. After it, I will return to you and show what we have done. So dear friends, I didn't have time to turn on as I was moving away, but this candle, it closed above our open transaction. So therefore we went into plus. We have 1.92 on our balance sheet. Let's look further. So the strategy is good enough, but the pieces can give out badly. All the same, you also need to look at the mood of the market using the MACD indicator. It helps in such cases. So you can also look at the different companies, trade on them. So now I will find us a deal and get back to you. So I found a new entry point for us. It is located right here. We will trade with Intel company. So let's open a deal to increase for 5 minutes since we noticed a flag figure here. Slight market fluctuations and further growth went on. The corridor that lined up here is broken and we can safely open a deal here. So let's open for 2 minutes. I think 5 will be long in this case. So that is, we opened, so let's wait. So the deal is almost closed and we can see that we are in the black, $3.70 on our balance. Let's look further for some trading pairs and we will further raise our balance and go to our goal of $500 for one trading session. So I will get back to you when I find something suitable for us. So I found the perfect trading pair for us. Let's open a deal here for 1 minute on our entire balance. So let me explain to you again. Figure flag. We can see figure flag 1, 2, and we will most likely be repeated. So why I'm not looking for other figures? Because the flag figure is the most common for us. Of course, it will be great if I show you other figures in this video, but for now we are only trading on the flag patterns. So I hope you understand the information and everything is clear for you. So let's quickly open a trade for a fall, because the flag pattern is for all, not an increase. Remember this. So we open a deal and wait for it to close. When the deal closes, I will be sure to get back to you. So friends, I found a good company for us again with a flag figure, which is no surprise. So here's the flag figure again, and most likely this figure will be here again. So the situation is a little unstable, as we can see, but I think if we open a deal for 5 minutes, we will get our profit. So we open a deal for a fall. Once again, I will explain why I open a trade for a fall. Because the market went down at the flag. The market is unstable and doesn't understand where to go, and therefore people are waiting for a decrease again. So I open a short trade and let's wait for it to close. So let's wait, friends. I will turn on the recording for you and you can see how our trade closes and we make our profit. So the deal is almost closed and again we are in the black with you. Another successful deal. So therefore I can say with confidence that figures are working. There are already $10 on our balance sheet. So I found another interesting deal for us with Intel, and now we will trade with you on a second time frame. So we will open a deal for 15 seconds. We will see the end result soon. So let's wait. Hooray, we're back in the black as expected. So yes, we already have $20 on our balance. I found a new company for us, it is McDonald's. We will also open a deal for 15 seconds, so let's wait for a few candles to close to understand where we should go. So let's wait. So let's open a deal for an increase. Everything is closing successfully. There are already almost $40 on the balance sheet. This is already a good amount because we started with only $1. So I found a trading pair for us. We will open a deal most likely to increase. We are waiting for a candle and we will open a deal. So let's wait for closing. So the deal was closed successfully and there are already $75 on the balance sheet. So we will open a deal for the Tesla company to increase. The chart is growing. We will wait for the closing. So far we are on positive side and there are 2 seconds left. Everything we're in the black again, so on the balance sheet is already $139. Let's look further. Let's open a deal for 10 seconds on our entire balance. We wait. The deal was closed again successfully with a balance of $254. So let's open a deal for Apple for 15 seconds to increase. Let's try to play back for 10 seconds. So we're waiting 10 seconds. So let's wait. Great, the deal was closed successfully. There are almost $500 on the balance. There is not enough $20, but I think that is not scary because after all, we have completed the common goal. So why are we playing backwards here? It was possible to play according to the general strategy for 30 seconds. It would have fallen lower. I just calculated at what moments it grows. For example, here the graph has grown sharply, but here it has fallen, and so on. These moments can also be calculated. So there are already $487 on the balance sheet. We earned such a large amount from $1. I think that is an excellent result. So today was a very good and hot trading session. Somewhere we were even on the verge, but nothing. This is trading. Absolutely everything happens here. So now let's end this video. I remind you of the link in the pinned comments. So follow it and start earning money with me. And I wish you all good luck and big profits. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.